guys, welcome to another unboxing. So today, I just bought the new Nerf gun. Excited to know what it is? Yeah, there it is. Here it is. Oh! Nerf Tri-Strike. Nerf Tri-Strike Modular Series. Tri-Strike. Tri-Strike. What is it from all? Metal City. Nerf Modular Series. So let's unbox this. Inside the box, we have the blaster itself. The official mounts in the back rail. Power extension with the Mega Dart launch, 10 dart mag, clock mechanism, and 1 whistle, 10 Nerf darts, and 4 Mega darts, and instructions. Now we're gonna assemble it. Assemble it, baby. Oh, we're gonna open the lock first. Yes! So we got a usual for the Mega darts here. And for the usual Nerf modular darts. Let's load this thing and let's try to test fire it. Yeah! Now we're gonna load the Nerf darts. Here. That. Then we're gonna fast forward this. Guys, we're gonna do a firing test on those my collection over there. I'm gonna shoot these guys. I'm gonna use the Nerf darts, the Mega, and the Rocket. Let's cut this bad boy up. Test it out, man. Test it out. It's hot! It's hot! Woo! Flat. It's hot. SpongeBob. SpongeBob! Oh! You did. SpongeBob. How about you like Mega darts? You like those darts? And how about the missile launch? Oh! Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Okay guys, that was the fire test. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my unboxing and fire test. Hope you bought it. It's a good blaster. So thanks for watching guys. See you later. Bye bye.